Good morning. Goedemorgen. I'm Hoshaiah-Conaniah. Ik ga vandaag met dat jongetje spelen. Oh ja, we kunnen play with RodVivKids today. Good morning. Goedemorgen. I'm Hoshaiah-Conaniah. I am the youngest kid.
Hoshaiah-Conaniah, he's our youngest. He is born here at the other side of the road here. And so good morning, we are RodVivKids. We are a Dutch Filipino family. We have 6 kids and we're vlogging currently from Indonesia. And within a few months we hope to move to the Philippines. I'm born in Holland, he's born in Indonesia. Samuel, Moriah, Avi and Baruchel are born in Holland. Oh yeah, and Jedaiah, can you still follow? Next time I do it one by one, okay? He was born in Malaysia, in Penang, born in the hospital. And he was almost born in a 35-year-old, rusted, almost breaking down car in the middle of the road. Yeah. So, and Viv, what are you doing?
Pancake.
So it's 7:30. It's Sunday, so it's relaxed. It's 7:30 in the morning. I actually was up already at 4:30, uploading some things on YouTube, some vlogs. And I wish I would have slept longer, but alright, that's the way it is. What?
Just dance.
Just dance? No, we're going to do something else first. But later you want to do Just Dance? But what do you mean? The DVD doesn't work until...
Hallo en good morning. My name is Jedaiah-Jenesis.
En ik ben Noornemek en welkom bij Coco Banano nieuws.
In the last edition of CBN we saw how Australia tried to verstoppen and told no one.
In de laatste CBN hebben we gezien hoe Hoshaiah een verstoppertje heeft gevonden en niemand heeft verteld.
Stay tuned to see more about this verstop or hiding place.
Blijf kijken om meer te weten over dit verstoppertje.
Alright, so the tea is ready. We usually on Sunday we have some time to pray and sing. So we're going to do that and drink some tea, and after that we're going to have breakfast. So this day starts differently. You see us already before our breakfast. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you from wherever you're watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, we forgot that, please subscribe. Vergeet niet te abonneren. And if you like what you're seeing, and I'm not talking about me, then please like it. Vind het leuk, suka. Dan silakan mengikuti. Okay, enjoy.
Ik ga vandaag met dat jongetje spelen.
Yay!
Ik ga wel hier wachten op hem.
I'm going to eat some pancakes and make a coffee. And then hopefully it will be a relaxing day. We had a lot of things going on in our life. Well, coming in the last few years, but that is now coming to a climax the last few days. And so we really need help from above. We believe that we're not alone. We believe God is helping. And it's a very good assurance. And if you believe in prayer, please pray for us, because it has to do with some legal issues, the people that cause problems in our lives. So we really want to move to the Philippines. Oh, he made pancake right for me. Oh, nice, I'm coming. And we really want to move to the Philippines, but we can't do that until these things are solved. So we're gonna stay positive, but sometimes we shed some tears. Soms moeten we wel eventjes huilen, maar dat is heel heftig. We can't explain it here. Maybe we will do that one day. We'll make a vlog and just explain the difficulties that we are facing. But one thing I do, we will continue to trust in God. We're not alone. We are hopeful, we're positive. And somehow all things work together for the good. And we're not over-religious. Actually, we're not religious at all. We don't believe in religion. Religion binds you. We don't believe in all the all the rules and regulations that people make, that man-made things, that believe in a God that sets you free. All right, we're going to enjoy, and later we're also going to enjoy this. No idea what she's making. Oh yeah, I heard it already. Honey chicken. Gastig kind wants to put a onion in my mouth, and he's been squeezing it, so his whole hand, even 1 meter away from me, it still smells.
Jij vindt het lekker.
No, not like that. And actually, I said I wanted to drink coffee. That was 2 hours ago, and then I actually was talking about that complicated issue. Hoshaiah, nou niet meer doen. Hoshaiah, I don't like it. Hoshaiah, now you have to pick it up. Can you put it in the trash? I was talking about a complicated issue, and then since I talked about it in this vlog, and now that's about 2 hours later, I've only been spending my time WhatsApping with these people, and so tomorrow we go into a lawyer and to see what the lawyer says about all this. Even if things don't go smooth, stay positive. No, somebody's screaming here again, running through the house. What now again? What are you doing? Nah, horse riding. Mau kemana? Jalan-jalan saja. Sudah lihat vlog kami? Kami punya vlog di YouTube, hè? Dan kamu seperti itu di dalam vlog nanti, ya? Lucu sekali. This used to be Mariah's friends. Malu sekali. Mengapa? They are too shy. Look at this face. Ridiculous. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, ini masih bisa. Oh yeah, that's still possible. Say bye-bye. And we are visiting our neighbors. We have an important talk with them. So I'm not going to record all that. Just this little bit. Nice music. So, senang di Jakarta?
Wah, kami senang sekali tapi panas sampai sini.
Ya, basah selalu. Halo. No.
Flight okay. Iya, di dalam aja.
Oké, selamat siang. Oh nee, sorry.
Sore.
Selamat sore. Oké, aan de muur de moeders paraplu liepen eens 2 kindjes, Vivian en Rodney. Die willen niet meer kindjes. Oh nee, jawel, helpen. Kun je die vasthouden? Ja.
Kalau
Tidak muntah, hè?
Kalau nasi belum tidak cukup, saya punya ya. Tapi saya sudah masak.
Snap je niks van, hè? You don't understand anything you're saying, hè? Only de orang Indonesia dan orang Melayu. You understand. Goh.
You understand it.
You understand it. Almost sounds like almost sounds like English or German. Du verstehst es doch auch, hè? So, you Germans, kannst du mich verstehen, wenn ich Deutsch spreche? So, that was German. We hope to welcome more German subscribers. We would love to fellowship with you. Vivian, what? We would love to fellowship with you. Love to see you watch our vlogs. Love to talk with you. And next year when we're going to Holland, if we have enough subscribers, we would love to visit you in Germany. What are you doing?
I'm gonna get some fresh face.
Okay, now. Hey, keep it.
Allebei. Oké, ik ga nu hebben. Nee, dat is mooi. Dit doet het niet. Stom. Ik ga Zwarte Piet maken. Ik kan pepernoot maken en chocoladeletten. Sinterklaas! Why are you crying? I miss Sinterklaas. Oh, dat is jammer hoor.
You see it's very wet here. Ah, and look, one of the banana trees is chopped. No, there's no banana. So it's just a banana tree, so it doesn't harm the car. And we'll see what the water. Ooh. The kids are inside, they're watching something. Flash. Until we come back, so now we can watch some nice movie together.
Okay, come.
Now I can't get inside the house because Viv has the key. Let me just knock. Sleutel er goed in doen. Push the key inside, then you can open it, hè? Indrukken eerst. The rainy season has started already. Kijk eens jongens, kindertjes. Zie? Zijn jullie aan het kijken? Wat kijken jullie? De flash nog steeds? Yeah, now we're going to watch something else. Whoa, there he is! Woohoo! And we're going to fry French fries.
Ja, ik hoop dat hij nog doet.
And see, braadworst, sausage sapi bakar. Now, it's nothing in comparison to the braadworst in Deutschland.
The only thing Killer Frost.
It seems that Hoshaiah and Philippines were having fun under the table.
Het lijkt erop dat Hoshaiah en Philippines leuk vonden onder de tafel. Gaat wel niet door.
What will happen? Will they be discovered?
Wat gaat er gebeuren? Worden ze ontdekt?
Keep watching the RodViv and Kids vlogs to find out.
Blijf kijken door RodViv en Kids nog komen af.
Dat kan worden.
Oh, de wind waait door de bomen! Zelfs mijn huis waait de wind!
We're having French fries for dinner, and we're having sausages.
Mm.
And then I still have some spring rolls, lumpia. Yeah, thanks for watching our vlog. We're closing the day by watching Big Friendly Giant. Nice and cozy, and it's raining. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and give us your thumbs up and enjoy our next vlogs.
Enjoy the fireplace.
He's very soft.
Is it also?